Hello everyone, my name is Balki. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a famous Sierra Leonean snack called butterscotch. It's very yummy. It's like candy, hard candy, and very easy to make basically. So first, like you can see, I am putting butter in a pot, and then I'm gonna mix until it's very melted. Yeah, so just keep mixing and make sure it's melted. Be careful, it's hot. So yeah, and then I am going to add the condensed milk. As you can see, after the butter has been melted, you add that in. Make sure it all goes in, the pots, and after that you just continue mixing. It's very important to keep mixing or stuff are gonna come up burnt. So yeah, I'm still trying to get more of it out because it's so thick and it can be very hard to work with. But yeah, after that, just mix again, keep mixing, mix. Yep, and here I am mixing it again until it's very thick. Yeah, so now it's halfway there, it's halfway ready, and here we go, it's ready. Now it's time for you to roll it up. For what I do is I put it in a on a plate that's covered in foil, and yeah, just roll it up in little circles. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, it's very hot, and once it sticks to your finger, it's no joke. So yeah, just roll it up to whatever size, small, medium, large. Roll it up and enjoy your little butterscotch snack.